Hi friends, today we discuss collocations. Okay, what are collocations? Let us discuss. A collocation is an arrangement of words or other elements, especially those that commonly co-occur. A collocation is an arrangement of words. Arrangement of words means those words in a correct order or in a proper order. Just like for example, heartfelt congratulations. Here heartfelt, it is an adjective. Congratulations is a noun form in plural. Okay. So heartfelt congratulations is an arrangement. Here the first word is adjective, second word is noun. Heartfelt congratulations. It is a arrangement of words. One is adjective, next one is noun form. Okay. So here the arrangement of collocation is adjective plus noun. Adjective plus noun. Example is heartfelt congratulations. Especially those that commonly co-occur, means it should be happen always. Okay, so heartfelt congratulations is one example for collocation. The order is adjective plus noun. Okay, generally adjectives places before noun. Right. So there are a few more examples. Okay, have, for example, have a drink, have a bath, have a good time, have a rest, have lunch, have dinner, have breakfast, have supper. Okay, have a drink, have a bath, have a good time, have a rest, have lunch. Similarly, here take, it is a noun form. Okay, so take a break, take a look, take an exam, take a seat, take a chance. Okay, so here the collocation is take a look. Take a look. Okay, it is a proper arrangement. Okay, the first word is take, second word is a look. We always use this arrangement. This is example for collocation. Okay, a collocation is an arrangement of words or other elements, especially those that commonly co-occur. The examples are have a drink, have a bath, have a good time, have a rest, have lunch, have dinner, have breakfast, have your breakfast, have your dinner. Okay, so thank you, and I request all of you, please watch my videos, like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel General English 466 for many more videos. Thank